Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have some quick reminders, so let's get started guys. Okay, so let's get started guys. So tomorrow is the 9th and it is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesday remembers every Tuesday at 6 p.m. This Tuesday we have no guests, it is freestyle. Let's move on to the next one. So on the 10th, which is the following day, it's the budget friendly shop with me and haul, and it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Can't wait to see you there guys. Now let's move on over to the 13th. So July 13th, we have a new collaboration and it's called All Things Decor. It is a tabletop collaboration, which means you can decorate any tabletop in your home and reveal. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the host is Debbie Bubbles. So that one's going to be nice. So let's go over to Quick and Easy Meals. Well, on the 14th, Quick and Easy Meals is doing a special edition called the Sheet Pan Meal. So that one is going to be really amazing, guys. I could surely use you guys jumping in. That's going to be fun. Now let's head on over to July 16. Well, on July 16 is Tablescape Tuesdays once again, and that's at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do have a guest host on that day, and it's May's Design Corner. The theme is white and gold. And so we are celebrating my birthday, so that's going to be so much fun. Now, I cannot wait to see you there, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. We always follow YouTube etiquette when we are doing collaborations. And once again, I can't wait to see you there. Have an amazing day, guys, and God bless you. And yep, it's exciting.